Hey, what's up? A Dude's Corner here. Today we're going to be going to the OU winter competition. This will be my first competition. I thought I would vlog it for you all. It is currently 5 in the morning, so I am extremely tired. I'm going to be competing for 3x3, 2x2, Pure Mix, and Skewb, and I believe 2x2 will be first. It's about a 2-hour drive from here. We're going to be leaving very shortly. Yeah, I guess we might as well get right on to it and get right over there. So, let's go. Just arrived.
Just got the name tag, and I'm gonna go find out when I'm competing and all that. Looks like I'm gonna be judging for the second round and competing in all the first rounds for all of my competitions, so that'll be exciting.
This is Joseph. He's the organizer. He prepared all this, everything. So thanks. That's why we can have the competition today. I'm the day part. I'm the WCA delegate. So I'm trying to make sure everything is following official rules, so that everything is official. Okay. So we'll start the rule explanation for first time a little bit later. But first for the everybody audience. I know this is a little bit smaller area than expected. The thing is, since this is my first competition in 3 years in Oklahoma City, nearby city, so WCA pushed me to increase the limit as much as possible. That's why we are having 45 people, but we intended to have a much smaller competition due to the size. But let's just try to make the most out of it today. Okay, so we have only chairs. There's no tables for the people who was to queue. Is there any kind of test area?
So if you guys notice over by the cafeteria, there's a bunch of tables. But honestly, if you see any table in this entire building, you can just hang out because we have basically the whole building except for the upstairs today. So you're good to sit.
All right, so I just competed for 2x2 Pure Mix and 3x3. I think I did okay in them. I do feel like I could have done a lot better in Pure Mix. I did not have good times in that, and I made quite a few mistakes during my solves. But I'm gonna go ahead and play all those for you, and then I'll tell you what I think how I did. Mistake. I think it's a +2. Okay, now that you guys saw that, I do kind of wish I didn't get that 16 on the 2x2, and I do feel like 3x3 went pretty well, so I think, judging on everyone else how they did, I might be going to round 2. I'm hoping I do. I'll also, real quick, show you another solve that just happened just now. This was from Aaron, it was this solve right here. And he also did get a 4-second solve earlier. I do not have footage of that, but that did happen. So right now there's 4x4 going on. I am not competing in that because I cannot solve under a minute and a half, and that's how fast you have to get it. So I'll show you guys a few recordings of that. Okay, so 4x4 just ended. Now let's go take a quick look at what's going on behind the scenes.
Subscribe to Skewb, that's my channel.
Yeah, you can go check out more from here.
Drink some water.
No!
Wear your seatbelt.
Oh, donate. Just link to his channel will be down in the
Donate to Team
description.
Trees.
Yeah, do that too.
All of us are right now waiting for Skewb. Right now going live on TikTok. So for everyone who's watching this on TikTok right now, you'll be able to see yourself into the vlog, which should be up for you guys. It should be up next week, sometime next week.
Sonic's the best. Okay, so the results just came in for all the events. I don't think and the thing is, I'm not competing for the second round for any of them, which honestly I was thinking I would get 3x3, but I was one place away. I got 25th and I needed to at least be 24th. Thanks to guy back there. That's okay. It means I can hang out a little bit more and do some other stuff. I wasn't expecting to win or get some amazing stuff. I'm really just here for the experience, and it's been great. I'm gonna be honest. So from now, I'm probably just gonna be vlogging all kinds of other stuff with other people. I'll be showing you some of the solves that other people are doing, because I feel like that's probably what else I can do. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, and let's go ahead and check out 3x3 Blindfolded, because that's starting right now. Jeff Park just got a world record average for 3x3 blindfolded. I'm gonna go see this. Silence for me?
Oh, sure.
Sign on the white side.
Okay.
Because white's always first. You know?
Where do you want me to sign?
On the white.
Just the whole white?
And yeah, whole white.
All right, cool.
There you go, man.
There, yeah.
And this one. This is the
Axis cube.
This is the only sticker cube I have.
All right, yeah, that should work.
Thanks, man. Nice. All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Use your Sharpie.
Skewb is about to start. Shout out to Skewber for letting me borrow his Skewb.
Oh, that's your new best.
Wow. What?
I know,
Why you
right?
guys are doing this?
That
This
looks.
is exactly 45.
That is exact.
Yeah,
honestly.
just okay. Exactly 45. I'll just favor. No plus 2.
No +2. Sweet. Hold on, say no to that.
Okay, so Skewb just ended. I got a new personal best when I was solving it, which I was really happy. I got a 7.981, which beats my previous best of 9.44, I think. So, and honestly, I think that was really because of the Skewb that I borrowed from Skewber. Speaking of which, you guys really need to go check out his stuff. He basically got me a new personal best for letting me borrow his cube. Right now, it looks like I'm not making it for round 2 on anything, but I believe I'm still gonna be judging, so I am gonna be still sticking around. I believe 5x5 is just about to start now. So I might go vlog a few scenes of that. I'm sorry if you guys wanted to see some other scenes of like the other events I was competing in. I would have showed you guys, but I was busy judging and then I was busy competing. But anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and switch over to 5x5. Alright, so that was some 5x5. Right now I'm waiting to find out if I'm allowed to solve this, because that would be insane. It's a 9x9, I do not have one, and I've been wanting to solve one for a while. So if I'm allowed to, I'm definitely going to try solving it. Okay, I got the green light, gonna scramble this thing up. Your face solved.
This is weird. Okay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2,
Wait, my timer's off.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yes. Hey, the pressure is so high. The pressure will be harder. Contact. This is terrible. I'm gonna lose.
Oh, you're the one.
Should we redo this? I messed up. I got 16.
Okay, so somebody left, and despite the fact I was 25th and 1 away from actually making it in, and so because somebody left, I now actually get to compete for 3x3 for second round. So let's see how this goes. And I'm actually now judging for 2x2, so yeah, we'll just see how that goes.
Ooh, that's +2.
Alexander Clark. Jake Maddox. Ben Hogan.
I got 5.
8 seconds.
5, huh?
Not bad.
I'm gonna get you again, then.
Explain what you're gonna do.
So follow Yosef, everybody.
Let's see how that goes, huh?
Hogan. For second place, we have Titus Sutterfield. For third place, we have Ryan Pilot.
Oh, it is.
Third place, we have Aaron Wynn. For second place, we have Ryan Pilot. For first place, Jeff Park with a world record meet. Second place, Jeff Park. First place, Aaron Wynn.
And the winner of today's competition